Hey, this is Teresa, one mother, one daughter, and it is Masculine Monday Maybes. So if you haven't joined me for my last Masculine Monday Maybes, maybe you missed the reason. What is this? What is this Masculine Monday Maybes? I used to do Masculine Mondays a few years ago, and I stopped doing those, but then I thought I would bring it back. But since I'm having a lot of issues with my hands and my body, and it dictates what I'm going to do on a daily basis, it became Masculine Monday maybe. So, yeah, maybe you will see a video, maybe you won't. But that's how it goes. So sitting in front of you is a stencil that I made and also used on my masculine card today. So I wanted to show you guys, it's an image that I got from Design Space, and I altered it to fit my needs. So I use this. I also use an image from Design Space called Man Playing Drums Silhouette. It's from the musician Silhouette, and the number is hashtag M as in my 8942 C as in cat, E as in excellent, number 5. I will also put that in the description. So without further ado, let me show you my Masculine Monday card. So this is it. And you can see the image of the drummer drumming. And that's what inspired the sentiment, which was also printed and cut on my Design Space. So the way I do my masculine cards is I don't put anything extra because I don't think that masculine cards need that. For masculine men, they don't require any flowers or rhinestones or beads or anything like that. Don't do that. So it's very, I know people say that it's complicated, and the only reason why is because we have all of these things and we want to put these things on our card. That's not necessary for masculine men. They don't need all of that. Find your image, look at the image, come up with your sentiment, and boom, you got a card. So you can see I use that as my main image. You can see my stencil in the background. And I use some music notes all around. There's my sentiment, bruh, you rock, because that's what the kids are saying. You know what? I've done this video 3 times, and every time I say that's what the kids are saying, it makes me feel really old, so I'm not going to say that. Excuse me. That's what they're saying. So, bruh is the new word, okay? So, like I always encourage you guys to take your colors and your images that you do on the outside and put them on the inside. It's a must. Do it at the same time you're doing your card. Even if you don't know what sentiment you're going to put inside, don't put a sentiment. But follow the colors from the inside, from the outside into the inside. That makes your card coherent. We have to do that. You guys make such beautiful cards, but you forget to do the inside. You using those same little scraps that you would throw away from the front to put on the inside. So here's the inside of my card. I use some music notes. I followed in with the same colors, and I used the piano, which I also cut from that same cartridge, I believe. Yes, the same cartridge. And on the inside, my own sentiment again, it says, turn up, it's your birthday. It goes with the inside, it goes with the outside. There's no rhinestones, no glitter, no flowers, no beads, and it's a cute masculine card. So you can do this too. You can use the same images that I use if you have Design Space, or find some rocker on like Google or something, and print out your own, make your own sentiments. The way I come up with my sentiments is I just look at the image. I know what I like to say, because a lot of stamps don't have what I want to say for the people I'm giving it to. It's not geared towards me. So I come up with my own sentiments. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna make, I think I'm gonna make some more cards and sell them, put them in a thing, because I do have Instagram now. I can't do Facebook anymore. I just can't do it. So if you have an Instagram, you can follow me on Instagram at One Mother and One Daughter. And yeah, this is my Masculine Monday card, and it will be more cards on Masculine Monday maybes. And remember, if you don't see a card on some Monday, come back the next Monday, because you will see one. But like I said, my hands and my body dictate what is going on in my life, so that's the way it's got to be. This is Teresa's with One Mother, One Daughter. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, show me some love, or leave a comment to let me know that you came by. And I'm out.